Guys, welcome back again. Life update. Let me see if this one is more better this way. Okay, it's more better if I should place it here. Hold on, let me place it here, guys. Hold on. Okay, guys, I don't have lights here. We are going to manage it. I'm supposed to go and bring my ring light, but I don't have the time, the strength to go upstairs. Okay, guys, life update concerning the video that I did last. Okay, I went for the pregnancy test, and the result will be out in few days. Okay, the result will be out soon. So for now, yeah, let's see. Let's see. And after that, I told the doctor I was literally a little bit hungry and all that, and she said sometimes it's like that, or better still, maybe you have something inside that you need to visit your doctor, maybe some antibiotics because of this weather and all that. It can be of that. Okay, sometimes whenever you have things done inside, on the video I'll be explaining it, maybe sharing my delivering experience more better. Okay, then I can share it, what I did and why I said I can sue them if I'm pregnant, because I signed it myself that I need it. Okay, so if they should do the opposite side, sorry that my baby is in the class, is that one is their business. They are going to pay me for it because I asked for it. So guys, let me not keep you waiting that much. Thank you for coming again. It's still your Bianca Bellezza Girls TV, and yeah, and thank you for coming. Baby is here sleeping, so I went for a little shopping, which I have this very meat here which we'll be eating. Okay, we just fresh what they call it, hold on guys, I'm coming. Okay guys, so yeah, that is it. And it is called a cotoletta, which in English is called cutlet. Okay, this is a cutlet. I have this one and I have this other one two. Okay, one this one will be for Hobby, Sophia and I. Okay, this four. Normally it's supposed to be one. I will be doing it maybe one, then cut it into two. Then I have this plastic to put things in my deep freezer, which inside my deep freezer last time I don't have it any longer. I need it. That is what I want. If Obi should come back, like seeing me going for shopping, they will be hungry. Because my husband don't like whenever I go for shopping. It's like, don't spend your money. Keep your money for yourself. I will do it. Just tell me to buy it. Or better still, tell me when you are going, I will give you our credit card, you know. But I think it's just something that every woman will do. You go for shopping, don't need to wait for anybody. And again, I have this protege slip. This slip is to protect your pants, your underwear. Even if I'm wearing leggings, I'm wearing jeans ring, I do put it. Even if the thing, sometimes I don't even wear like a pants, a G-string. I'm putting on maybe short ball. This is what I put inside. As a woman, you need to protect it no matter what, because of the sweat and all that, even the smell and all that. It's not that it's smelling, okay, but it's good to protect it, to put all these things. One for my daughter, one for me. I don't buy this. I bought the one of a corner. It's okay. It's just something you put there, and yeah. And this very one, you can see, it protects against smell. Can you see that? Okay, it's here. This is my most sweetest biscuit. If you are my old fellow content creator, you guys remember this our biscuit then when I was pregnant. So now I have this. Before I was a little bit tired of this biscuit. I saw it, the thing was just like coming back. Then I realized, I think you are really pregnant, because for you to be craving for things that you don't normally crave for again is something else. Okay, so and this is what they give to me. What is this here? Oh, I'm going to give it to Sophia. And yeah, and this one is for Samuel and Sophia to watch their teeth. Okay, I saw it. It was about €1 something or so, €1 something or €1 or so. So that is why they have Aqua Fresh, the one for kids, and all that. They also have another one again. But I saw it. I was just like, let me make them happy by buying this very one, because of this man that is Topolino or whatever. So this will make them to be happy. And this one is for baby Serena Mia, from 2 from 2 years. Justo fruta is a the taste is a taste of fruits, and yeah, new formula metadent for baby girls, for baby boys, whatever. And this one is to roll all these things in case you are wearing dress and the dress is having all this hair all over. You use this thing to roll it. It's a roller. I have the roller, so I just need to buy the change to change it. So here I have my deodorants, and this deodorant, this one, because of this spring and summer that is coming, I need something like that, black and white. So whenever I put on black, it will stay me. Whenever I put on white, you will see yellow things down of my armpits, which is not really nice, like seeing yellow. Whenever you sweat, you'll be seeing yellow things in your white top or white singlet or white long sleeve. So that is what I bought this very one. Okay, black for black and white, which it will allow those stains to be in your. And this one for popcorn, to prepare popcorn. This one is a lot in case I want to prepare popcorn. Maybe we have any film we want to watch, I can use it. And this other one, oh, I bought two. Oh my god, look at that. We have three. Everywhere is what they call it. Oh my god, everything should be just Interracial clean. Toothpaste everywhere, toothpaste everywhere, toothpaste everywhere. And this brushes for them is just like, I don't know why I can't explain, because they have those electric one. And here is Serena brush. You guys know she have that electric, that one. I don't know where she. Yesterday evening I was just looking for it, so I just decided to buy one extra. So whenever I'm looking for that one, I will have this one, because once she finished brushing at it, she want to hold it herself. She need to hold it herself, or has no peace. For her to have the peace of mind, I'm just gonna, have extra one. So whenever I'm looking for one, I will still have one to use for her. Okay, so whenever the rest are watching their teach, you also need it. So this very one to take their bath. The smell of this one, I love it. The smell for the kids. Okay, so and yeah, because I'm still using the one of Vicky Mega. Shout out to Vicky Mega plus 393714744598. Vicky Mega Organic Skincare is the best. So guys, that is all I have on this vlog and for the gist. So I'll be waiting for the result. As I said before, I pray it's not what I'm thinking, it's just normal thing. Or the feeling that I was having, those all those things, those like I feel as if I want to vomit, all those things is not there any longer, but I still feel like dancing, feel like sleeping and all that, Yeah, sometimes I just feel like all throughout the day for me to sleep and sleep and sleep and sleep. Oh, because as a mother, you don't need to sleep, okay? So, and that is the little thing that we have. The one, and this very one to brush teeth. Those yellow things inside our teeth, which is called tartar, and in English is tartaro. In Italy is tartaro. In English is tartar. So this very one do help a lot. This very one do help a lot. It's very, 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 very nice. Even if I do drink coffee, my teeth is still white and okay. Okay, that is our baby girl. She's sleeping. I love baby Serena so much. And she was just sleeping. Then I remove her jacket inside the car. I put her in my back so that she won't cry. She won't be nervous. She can continue to sleep. That is what I normally do. Whenever we go out, I will just open her jacket inside the car. I will come inside and take my wrapper. Once I take my wrapper, I will go outside, remove her jacket, immediately put her on my back. Then she can continue to sleep. Okay, so that is it. And I'll be putting this one here so that I can put it to the other side. This one, okay, this one is for me. This very one is for the kids. They themselves, we can easily clean. This is for popcorn, this one for lunch, and yeah. Okay. Okay, queens, in case I have any of that thing, I will let you guys know, because I just went out and yeah, this morning I went for the test and I'm waiting for it, so that when the test is out, so when the test is out, I will let you guys know. Okay, and yeah, maybe it's just ordinary feelings, you know, some. And these days, what I eat, not like before. Yeah, and there's some comment that is like, why did you lose some weight? Why did you lose some weight? And the kind of person, I don't like anything that is hot. A little thing will just make me not to eat. If I'm eating, you just call me and tell me anything, that food will end. Throughout that day, I'm not going to eat any longer. So that is the kind of person. I don't have appetite for nonsense. I don't have appetite when I'm hot or anybody close to me being hot. I don't like it. I will not eat for that people care. Can you imagine? When they hurt someone close to me, because of that alone, me, I will lose appetite, because I know that person is not happy. Same as me, I'm not happy. When the person close to me is happy, hi Bianca, I'm also happy. You understand? So that is it. And those people saying that nonsense, you need to, that shows that you are mentally sick. If you are not mentally sick, whenever they hurt someone that is not strong for bully, you need to know that this person is not strong for it, and this person does not need these kind of things. You just need to stay off, leave that person alone. That is my own. They should just leave me alone, allow me to create my content, allow me to do my things anyhow it comes, anyhow the English come, leave it alone. Don't worry, you didn't sponsor my education. I know how I went far to eagerly to study the more. Okay, so you can't come here and be saying nonsense. As far the language that I'm speaking do put food on my table. What's your problem? And my audience, they understand. The one that don't understand, I believe tomorrow or anyhow they must understand my English, because I'm trying myself. I do give accolade to myself, because I know the way that my education was. It was not easy with 6 kids, no father, no help from anywhere, just only one woman to take care of us. Is not an easy task. So I do clap for myself, applaud myself for that, because it's not easy. I know where I'm coming from. Okay, so according to one lady, she said, I told her I was not born with a silver spoon, but thank God today I can eat with a silver spoon, and everything I thank God so far. I don't have it all, but the little that I have, I'm content. I'm the kind of person that is contented with all she has. Sometimes it's just as if egoista. No, sono egoista, sono contenta, sono contentissima. Tutte le cose che ho, sono contentissima e capisci, è quello. Okay, so that is it. And she said, even what kind of silver spoon? She said, not even a wooden spoon. Okay, she was not even a wooden spoon she was born with. So, but now she's fine, she's okay. You need to see her, she's gorgeous, gallant, and blessed. So that is it. Does not where you were born and brought up does not matter. The place you live later matters a lot. So if you live in a place whereby it's better, it's okay for your health and everything, just go do your things. Allow people to live in peace, to be happy. All this bullying and we don't need it. Anybody that offends you, just block that person and let that person. One post is okay, one update is okay, one video is okay. So after that, let the person go. Just make peace. Even if you don't need to make peace, let the person go. No need of bullying each other. Please, I'm passing through this video to still tell everyone it's okay, and let everything go. You guys should leave me alone. Allow me to do my things the way I'm doing it. Okay, anybody that wants to support me, you support me. If you don't want to support, just go, leave me alone and let me face my family, my content, and everything. Whatever I'm at, show me love and do my things, then I go inside. No insult, nothing. One was like, oh, she have passed. No, I'm not mad. The way you guys treated me, I'm supposed to be angry bird according to what many people have done to me, but no, I'm still soft-hearted. My heart is still open to do good, amazing things to people, because we don't deserve the other parts of people. We deserve good parts of people, and that is why I'm still living today, because the good that I'm doing, the amazing things that I'm doing, that is what God is using to bless me. God is using it to bless me. Okay, guys, let's just be positive. Anybody want to support that person. Because I'm supporting someone through that person, you come and be hurting me. I don't like it. It's not nice. My mental health, no, is a guested place. You guys should allow me to be doing my things, to be happy with myself. And remember that I'm humble, loyal, and I love you all. Thank you so much for watching this video. And remain peaceful, remain blessed, and we are marching forward in this month of March. Thank you so much, everybody. I appreciate you guys. Okay? Mwah. Bye bye, guys. I love you. Bye.